Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show is recognized as the largest in-water boat show in the world, attracting over 100,000 boat owners and enthusiasts annually. If you're a center console owner looking for dock lines, all the way up to a captain of a 300-foot mega yacht looking to find out about artificial intelligence navigation software, this is the place. The show runs for 5 days at the end of every October and takes more than a month of on-site preparation, packing thousands of boats into a roughly 1-mile stretch along the Fort Lauderdale Intracoastal Waterway. Massive air-conditioned tents are loaded with vendors selling everything from doggy water vests to super yacht propulsion systems. You can walk along the docks and see boats for sale in the tens of millions of dollars, or if you're in the market, tour potential charter boats that cost hundreds of thousands per week and cater to your every whim. The Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show is truly the pinnacle of yachting and boating shows. The coordination effort of bringing in so many vessels is a work of art in and of itself.